Today I really don't know what I'm doing. However, I'm gonna work with these 3 products. So if you are a Sephora junkie, you know how they have like stop. But Puzzle and Logan. Back to what I was saying. If you are a Sephora junkie and you know how in the front it'd be like, well, you got like 1,000 points. Would you like to use it on any of these products? I'd be like, yes, can I see? I know I can't use it on any facial stuff because I'm using like Lush products and it's been working on my face. So I don't want to like balance that out. However, I had got this artist face color. I'm using it as eyeshadow. And it is in the shade 5214. It's a nice little pinkish shade. And then Huda Beauty got this Topaz Obsession. Look, when I open this, look at the glory of the Lord. Look at these shades, my sis. Look at these shades. All right. And then I was shook because I wanted the Ulta too. You feel me? I'm sorry, Sephora. I'm always faithful. You feel me? But I saw they had Juvia's place in this, and this is the Warrior by Juvia palette, and it was only 20 bucks. And it's so pigmented. Like, I tried another one, but I didn't like how the brown came off because I was gonna get that one, but the brown came off too gray. It was not. It ain't ashy bit. It was gray. I know my shades. That was a gray color on the that was supposed to be brown, but ain't none of my business. So now what we're gonna do is start with our eyes. I'm gonna come up a little close so you guys could see. So right now what we're gonna do, we're gonna start off with our Juvia's the Warriors palette in the shade Kano, which is right here. I'm gonna use that as my transitioning shade. It does give a little kickback when you twirl. Everybody should know that by now, but yeah. So I'm just dusting it off, and I'm gonna use that as my transitioning shade above my eyelid. Alright, so with the same brush, why am I saying brush like that? With that same exact brush, okay. We're gonna go in with the, do they have the names of these colors? No. I'm gonna go back with the Huda Obsession, Topaz Obsession, and I'm gonna be using this orange up here on the top corner to blend as well on top of this eye. Not on your crease, but above the eye. And now we're gonna go down with this burnt orange shade right here. Gonna dab the same. I'm not a makeup artist. We're gonna dab this and put that as well. So we have more of a burnt autumn look. Ooh, I like. All right. So this is how your eyes should look so far. Oh, and just to let you guys know, I was using the Cosmetic 101 blending brush just to blend all these colors in together and apply them because I'm not too much of a I don't have that much knowledge on this realm. So I'm gonna go back with the Kano color and blend it together with the other shades. So it can all melt with each other. Ah, it looks so cute. I love this palette. This Topaz palette is everything. I don't even care about the amethyst, whatever. So I can't even pronounce it. I'm like a purple shades girl. I may get it though. It looks nice. Alright, so I went in with it And now I'm trying to figure out what I want to do next. So now, this is more warm, so I'm gonna go with the more cooler tone. I'm gonna use my Sonia Kashak brush. I don't know this number, but it is an eye brush. I'm gonna use the shade Mino, which is up here in the Warriors palette. Dab the product in there. It's a nice brown. And I'm gonna work it into my crease. Oh, thank you, Fanya, for giving me the suggestion of doing a fall look. Guys, if you guys have any idea of what to do or what y'all want to see me do, this is like my first time. I don't know what the heck I'm doing, but I know it's gonna help someone someday. But if you guys have any looks or any ideas, please drop it below. Even if it's like a Pinterest post, put the link of the Pinterest post below. And I'm pretty sure, like, definitely I would love to do it, because it makes me like rummage my mind even more. It looks nice. The key to doing eyeshadows is like blending. Before, like, I remember growing up and trying to understand what the heck eyeshadows were, and I try to stay away from it. But legit, like, now it's just like the key is just making sure you blend. Before, you could just put your finger on and walk outside, but now it's like you have to blend. Like, it's so lit, but you have to blend. So I'm working it towards the inner corner just slightly, so it can have a nice little ombre effect. And make sure, like I said before, that you're blending it with the shadows alongside your crease. Alright, so with that being said, let us go on, and I'm gonna use the same brush because I don't have that many brushes, and I'm gonna drag this same look underneath. However, what I'm gonna do is like bring forth the burnt orange right here. Do the same thing I did on top on the bottom. All right. Now, what I'm thinking, I was considering on. The Huda is like a wet lacquer-ish color, but let me save that for later. So I'm gonna go in with Benign. I don't know if I should go with Benign or Idia. Benign is this shade. I don't know if it'll mess up the look a bit. I did this yesterday, so I don't want to do it. Okay, so I'm gonna go with Idia. It's like a pure gold shade, and I'm gonna use this BH Cosmetic. It's a blending brush as well, so I don't think it's like kind of small, but I'm gonna use what I got. I'm gonna use this brush. So I'm gonna just pat it right here. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna just grab it. So pigmented, y'all. This is the shade right here. And I'm gonna just pat it. And then I'm gonna go, let me close this because I don't need it anymore. I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty Obsessions. Looks nice. And I'm gonna grab a different brush. This is like a tear duct. For the tear duct, it's 105. And I'm gonna use this shade right here. It's like a champagne gold color. And pop it in my inner tear duct. Yes. Oh my gosh. Oh girl, you look cute. Where are you going? Nowhere? Oh, it looks cute. I love. It's something different. Oh my gosh. I agree. Alright, so I'm contemplating if I would like to put a liner on. I'm gonna put a liner on. And since you all done after an hour, because you keep walking back and forth to check on dogs, Why? But on that note, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys have any looks that you guys like to see, please list them in the comments below. And I can't wait to see you guys soon. Bye. Thanks you for watching, girl. Hey, I don't know if I'm gonna be like, I don't know what I'm gonna do. But first of all, I'm gonna take these clips off my face. I meant my hair. But yeah. Bye. Yo, guys. I don't know. I just feel really great. Not just today, but by myself, but about this season. Yeah, I don't know. I just feel excited. I hate feeling excited because then you're anticipating something, but then you don't know what the something is. But I just want to encourage you guys, don't ever give up. Always keep trying. Ooh, there's this thing I saw on Pinterest, and it's by this guy by the name of Andy J. Kurt, I believe his last name is. And it's like things to do when you fail. So stay tuned, y'all. I'm gonna pop up on your timeline. Snap stories. That. For people that ask how the hell I take my pictures, I got my DIY ring light, my tripod stand, myself, and these white walls. And it's something called editing that helps your pictures go better. But legit, like, when this ring light is in front, look, girl, you fine. You can make this for no more than $10. Y'all tripping. Go to Wally World. No, it's not 10, it's 20, sorry. So instead of paying $160, if you don't have that $160, go pay that $20. Make it yourself. DIY. I'll put the video somewhere. I should make one. I do need another one.